Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some of the best apps that you can download from the App Store where you can find beautiful wallpapers for your iOS 14 device. Now with the release of iOS 14 and the home screen widgets, a lot of people are going crazy about creating setups on the home screen of their iPhone. And of course these apps will help you do that. You will find beautiful wallpapers, dual wallpapers, wallpapers that look good with the widgets on the home screen and all that stuff. So let's get started. Here are some of the best iOS 14 wallpaper apps. Getting things started with Wallpaper Central. Now Wallpaper Central is probably the best wallpaper app that you can get for your iOS 14 device. Now you will find here beautiful wallpapers, but you will also find some wallpapers that are especially created to be used with iOS 14. So here we have the home screen of the app. Very nice, very clean design. Here we have a search bar at the top. We have here at the top some featured wallpapers. We have wall of the day, live wallpapers, and all that stuff. And lower here we'll find the newest wallpapers. You tap on one of them, it will show you right here all the details regarding that wallpaper, a download button, as well as a button right there to go ahead and favorite that wallpaper. Now if you tap here, you can go ahead and see your updates. You can change between categories and go to settings as well. Now you will find the feed here where you will find wallpapers uploaded by the community. Now if you want to get wallpapers for your iOS 14 device, of course, you go ahead and tap the search bar right there and search here for dual. So go ahead and search for dual and you will find some really beautiful wallpapers that have been created. You can see the split in the middle right there. These have been created to be used with iOS 14, so you can see how cool these look. Of course they will look even better on the home screen of your iOS 14 device. You can see here a preview, very nice. So it's amazing that these wallpapers can be downloaded from here and of course give your device a brand new look. You can see right here, this one is really interesting. You can see how you can customize the looks of the home screen of your iOS 14 device. I've done that. You can see right here how cool that looks. So as easy as that, with Wallpaper Central you can go ahead and download any of these wallpapers and of course get that amazing look on the home screen of your iOS 14 device. Now the next app for the video is called Photo Collage. Now this is not actually a wallpaper app, but this will let you create wallpapers to use with the home screen of your iOS 14 device. So on the previous app you saw those split screen wallpapers that you can create, of course, with this app. Now this app will allow you to do that with your own wallpapers. So all you have to do is just open the app, tap on new right here, and just go ahead and pick the third setup right here and just pick any of the wallpapers that you have saved under the camera roll, and then you can create a split wallpaper out of those. So once you have picked the wallpapers that you use, then you can edit them from here. First of all, go to spacing right here and make sure you just turn off all of these so it removes those white lines that separate the wallpapers. So just like that, and you're good to go. Tap the done button. Now of course you can go ahead and zoom in and out there to zoom in on the wallpaper and just set it up any way you like. Now once you have done that, you can go to spacing, and here on spacing you can go ahead and just make these like this, and now tap the done button and you're good to go. You have created a wallpaper which now you can use with the home screen of your iOS 14 device. You just tap the little share button right there, save to camera roll here, and you're good to go. Now let's go ahead and set this up. Once you're on the Photos app, just go ahead and set this up as a wallpaper. You don't have to move it around, just tap right there to disable the zoom so it doesn't move on the home screen, of course. And here have a split screen wallpaper that you just created using your own photos. So any photos, any wallpapers that you might have, you can go ahead and use those, and of course utilize this app to create your own iOS 14 wallpaper. And if you're looking for iOS 14 live wallpapers, then this app will do it for you. Live Wallpaper is a free app that allows you to download high quality live wallpapers for the lock screen of your iOS 14 device. Now once you open the app, you will see here a bunch of different wallpapers that have been featured for the day. So you can see here a few like 10 or 12 different wallpapers that have been featured for today, and of course go ahead and download them to your device. By tapping here, you can go to different categories and you will see some really beautiful wallpapers that you can get for the lock screen of your device. Again, these are very high quality. You want to download them, just tap that little button right there, and as easy as that, you will be able to download these wallpapers on your device. Of course, then you go ahead and set them on the lock screen as live wallpapers. You can see here some really beautiful wallpapers that are again on very high quality and will make your device stand out and look really different. Now, when it comes to wallpapers for your iPhone, Wally is one of the best apps, unique wallpapers that cannot be found anywhere else. So once you open the app, you will see here the recent wallpapers, and of course right there at the top you can change to popular, featured, as well as you can go to different collections. You will have a search bar right there, of course, to search for any wallpaper, any artist, or any hashtag that you want. Now once you find a wallpaper that you like, you can go ahead and tap right there and you will see here a preview of the wallpaper, of course here the artist that has created this wallpaper, and you will also see more wallpapers from that artist. Again, you can see here amazing work, and these are really different. You won't be able to find these wallpapers anywhere else. Now if you want to save this wallpaper to use it as a wallpaper on the home screen and lock screen of your iOS 14 device, you tap the little download button. You can see here these are for personal use only, so go ahead and tap I agree there, so you only use it on your device. And you can choose here, of course, the aspect ratio. You want to choose this one. If you want to use it on your iPhone, for the iPad you can use that other one, and you tap the little download button and you're good to go. You will save the wallpaper on your device. Again, you will find here some really amazing wallpapers that is hard to find on any other app. Very unique and will make your device look really cool. Now, I have mentioned this app way before a few times and it's still on my list. Backdrops, easily one of the top wallpaper apps for your iPhone. Now, what I like about this app is that the wallpapers are very high quality, and it doesn't just have like a bunch of wallpapers just to throw them out there. They're really good selected, and of course very nice. So you can see right here beautiful wallpapers which you can download for your device. You tap on one of them, you can go ahead, favorite it there, download it here, or see all the different details regarding this wallpaper. Now at the top you will find here an explore section. Of course, here we'll have like different wallpapers that have been featured for the day. You will have a search bar there, and then right here we'll have the community tab, where again you can find different wallpapers that have been shared by the community. Now if you want to share one, you will have the option to do it from here. And last but not least is black wallpapers. Now on this app you will find wallpapers that have that dark theme to them, and they're really nice. Now the good thing about these wallpapers is that if you use on a device that has an OLED display, it will not just look beautiful but also will save battery, as those pixels where it's black will be all turned off. So that's really great as well. So here we have the home screen, different categories that you can go ahead and explore and find these really beautiful wallpapers. So you can see here most of them are free. There are a few ones that are paid, so if you want to pay a premium subscription to get those wallpapers, you can do that. Now once you tap on a wallpaper, it will preview it right here, and of course give you the option to download that wallpaper to your device. So let's just go ahead and download this one right here. So we'll have the option to favorite this wallpaper, and right here the option to go ahead and download it to your photos. Really nice. So let's go back to the home screen. So here we'll have the random wallpaper. So you're just going ahead, explore here and find some really beautiful ones if you don't want to go through the categories. And right here we'll find popular, so all the popular wallpapers can be found right here. Just swipe through them and of course tap right there to download any one that you want. And then we have the favorites here. Here we'll find all the different wallpapers from this app that you have favorited. A really great app, and of course it is free. So that is it for this video, guys. These are some of the best iOS 14 wallpaper apps that you can get from the App Store to make your iOS 14 device stand out and look really beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you like the apps. If you like any one of them and want to download it to your device, make sure you go ahead and check out the pinned comment. You will of course find all the links there. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next one.